This is a small scale prototype to show how can electrical energy can be harnessed from day-to-day transportation system. Here in this prototype we have shown blackboard which is assumed as highway. On this road we have shown two setup. Both setup are same. Setup 1 on left side and setup 2 on right side. Each setup is made up of three parts: power generation unit, power storage unit and power output unit. Power generation unit. It consists of an alternator and gear chain system. Power storage unit. It consists of 12-volt battery and CVT. Power output unit. It further supplies the generated electrical energy to the desired outlet in desired form.
Now the working principle. Here we have a roller fitted on highway which rotates by the movement of vehicle. This rotating roller transmits energy to the alternator connected with the help of gear chain arrangement. This alternator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy, which further are stored in a storage unit for continuous supply.